Endocrinology in relation to the reproduction. Reproductive endocrinology involves the hormonal regulation of the reproductive system, including the puberty, menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and menopause. Hypothalamic hormones, gonadotropin releasing hormones secreted in the pulsative manner from the hypothalamus, stimulate the anterior pituitary to release the FSH and ALH. Continuous GnRH release suppresses the FSH and ALH. Basis for GnRH organs like the leuprolida. Pituitary hormones, follicle stimulating hormones, stimulates the follicular growth and the estrogen production in the ovaries. In males, it stimulates the spermatogenesis via the Sertoli cells. Luteinizing hormone triggers the ovulation and the corpus luteum formation. Stimulates the testosterone production in the Leydig cells, males. Prolactin stimulates the breast development and the milk production, inhibits the GnRH leading to the lactational amenorrhea. Ovarian hormones, estrogen, secreted by the growing follicles, corpus luteum, and the placenta. Function, endometrial proliferation during the follicular phase, development of the secondary sexual characteristics, positive feedback on the LH surge, ovulation. Progesterone, secreted by the corpus luteum and the placenta. Functions, prepares the endometrium for the implantation, maintains the pregnancy, inhibits the uterine contraction, inhibits the FSH and LH to prevent the multiple ovulation. Inhibin, produced by ovaries, granular cells, inhibit the FSH secretion, negative feedback. Testicular hormones, testosterone, produced by the Leydig cells in response to LH. Function, male sexual differentiation, spermatogenesis, and the development of the secondary sexual characteristics. Anti-Mullerian hormone, secreted by the Sertoli cells in males to inhibit the Mullerian duct development. In females, produced by the ovarian follicles used as an ovarian reserve maker. Hormonal regulation of the menstrual cycle. Follicular phase, day 1 to 14, FSH stimulates the follicle growth, estrogen rises. Estrogen exerts a negative feedback on the FSH, prevents the multiple dominant follicles. Estrogen triggers the LH surge, ovulation. Ovulation, day 14, LH surge triggered by the high estrogen causes the follicle rupture and the ovum release. Luteal phase. Corpus luteum forms, secretes of progesterone. Progesterone stabilizes the endometrium for the implantation. If no pregnancy, corpus luteum degenerates, progesterone drops, and the menstruation. Endocrinology of the pregnancy, early pregnancy hormone, HCG, human chronic gonadotropin secreted by the syncytiotropoblast, maintains the corpus luteum progesterone production until the placenta takes over. Used as a basis for the pregnancy test. Progesterone, placenta from 10 to 12 weeks, maintains a pregnancy, inhibits the contraction, supports the endometrium. Estrogen, estriol, E3 from the placenta, stimulates the uterine growth and blood flow. Later pregnancy hormones, human placental lactogen, induces the insulin resistance, ensures the fetal glucose supply, increases the maternal lipolysis for energy. Relaxin, softens the cervix and the pelvic ligaments for labor. Oxytocin, stimulates the uterine contractions during the labor, promotes ejection in breastfeeding. Endocrinology of the lactation. Prolactin, milk production, stimulated by suckling, inhibited by dopamine. Oxytocin, milk ejection, triggered by suckling on the emotional cues. Lactational amenorrhea, high prolactin, inhibits the growth, no ovulation, natural contraception. Endocrinology of the menopause, ovarian failure, high estrogen, high FSH and LH. Symptoms, hot flashes, osteoporosis, vaginal atrophy. Hormone replacement therapy used for the severe symptoms. GnRH from the hypothalamus controls FSH and LH released from the pituitary. FSH stimulates the follicle growth and the estrogen production. LH triggers the ovulation. Estrogen, endometrial proliferation. Progesterone maintains a pregnancy. HCG maintains a corpus luteum in the early pregnancy produced by the syncytiotropoblast. HPL causes the insulin resistance to ensure the fetal glucose supply. Prolactin, milk production, inhibits the GnRH. Lactational amenorrhea. Menopause, less estrogen, increased FSH and LH. Symptoms include the hot flashes and the osteoporosis.